Arthur BAUCHET spent the first 2 days here in PyeongChang looking alongside Theo Rimeux. 2 silvers for BAUCHET, the youngster who can claim also to be a world champion already. Just 17 from Grimaud. He's just ahead, 0.33. I'm not sure what the French is for tension, but it's being spelt out on screen right now. Giant Slalom and Slalom world champion, and he's dropping time, 0.43. Has the youngster got something majestic over the final few gates? It doesn't look that way. In fact, he's slowing to 10:56, 0.32. And Alexei Bugaev wins the title. BAUCHET has yet another silver. And is that an opportunity lost? Well, he waves up at the crowd. Well, Theo Rimeux won the opening 2 competitions here in PyeongChang. Had a bit of a disaster in the super combined, but the 21-year-old is on course now, and he's already nearly 2 seconds clear of Alexei Bugaev. A mistake-free run from here, and Theo Rimeux has a hat-trick of gold medals in PyeongChang. Alexis Guimard